Good morning, children. Today is 7th of October 2020 and chapter 4. We are on fractions. Today we are going to learn division. In last class we have done multiplication. Now we will be doing division. How to divide fractions. Okay, which is given in your book on page number 64. Now this much is clear. To understand this, children, first I want you all to understand meaning of reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal means interchange the place of numerator and denominator by flipping. By flipping, we will change the places of denominator and numerator. That means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. For example, children, what is this? This is a two building block. Okay. If I'll say the green one is numerator and yellow is denominator. If I'll ask you to reciprocal means upside down. Okay, we will flip numbers. So denominator, that yellow was denominator, now it is numerator, and the green which was numerator, now it is denominator. Okay, I'm repeating again, children. Reciprocal means to change places of numerator and denominator by flipping. Okay, so here upside down. So here, children, you can see the green and yellow, two colors. Green is above, that is numerator, and yellow is below, that is denominator. If I'll ask you to reciprocal it, that means you are going to upside down. Denominator yellow will become numerator, and numerator, green numerator will become denominator. This is clear? Now, children, let's take example. Now, see, what is denominator here, children? 4. 4 is denominator here. Yes? This 4 is what, children? Denominator. And this 9 is what? Numerator. Yes. When I'll ask you to change the place, that means this denominator 9 will be, this numerator 9 will become denominator, and this denominator 4 will become numerator. So how I'm going to write it? 4 upon 9. Clear? Let's take one more example. What if it is given in mixed fraction? First, what we will do? We will change into improper fraction. Okay. So after changing it, 2 times 7 is what? 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1. 15. So this is what, children? 15 upon 7. Yes, what is numerator here, children? 15. What is numerator here? 15 is what? Numerator. And what is denominator? 7. 15 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Now, if I'll ask you to reciprocal it, that means this 15 will become denominator, that is numerator. This numerator 15 will become denominator, and denominator 7 will become numerator. So, how I am going to write it? 7 upon 15. Yes, so this is reciprocal and this is reciprocal. This much is clear? Now, children, see how to divide. Now we will learn how to divide. Okay, simple. Just read the statement. 5 upon 8 divided by 2 upon 3. What is dividend here? 5 upon 8 is dividend. What is divisor here? 2 upon 3. So, children, if normally we talk about division, that means we are going to make division box like this. And we are going to write dividend inside the division box. That is 5 upon 8. Yes. And then we are going to write divisor, that is 2 upon 3. Yes. Children, do you really think this is possible to divide like this? I find it difficult. I can't divide. So what I'm going to do? I'm not going to use this method. What I'm going to do? I'm going to reciprocal divisor. How I'm going to make division simple? I'll reciprocal divisor. Or what is divisor here, children, in this sentence? 2 upon 3. In this statement, 2 upon 3 is what? Divisor. I'm going to reciprocal it. Okay, so I'll copy dividend 5 upon 8 as it is. Then, children, see what I'm going to do. Reciprocal it. So, here 2 will come at the place of denominator. Okay, numerator 2 will become denominator. Okay, and 3 denominator will become numerator. Okay, so how I am going to write? 3 upon 2. Yes, 3 upon 2. And now, children, think about this sign. What will happen to this sign? The sign will change. This sign will change into multiplication. When we will reciprocal divisor, in that case, this sign will, division sign will change into multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Clear? Now you can do it. Now see, 5 and 8. If we will say, if we will see vertically, it is clear that we cannot reduce it. 3 upon 2, we cannot reduce it. If we will see diagonally, we cannot reduce it. So simply multiply here. So 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 2 is 16. Answer. So what is this, children? 15 upon 16 is our answer. Clear? It is really simple, children. What you have to do, you have to reciprocal the divisor, and once you reciprocal divisor, your division sign will change into multiplication. Yes, and you can easily solve this. Now let's take one more example. Now children, let's take one more example. Now see here, what is given? 2 upon 3, 2 whole 3 upon 8 divided by 7 whole 1 upon 8. Children, this line is your division bar. This line is what, children? Your division bar. Don't get confused from this line. This line is your division bar. This line is your division bar. And above this division bar, this complete fraction is what? Your numerator. Okay, and this complete below the division bar, above the division bar, it's a numerator, this complete, and below the division bar, this complete 7 whole 1 upon 8 is what? Denominator. Okay, as we all know, children, I have told you many times, this division bar means divide. This division bar means divide. So, we can write this sentence, we can write the statement like this also. 2 whole 3 upon 8. This division bar, children, this division bar, I am repeating again, I am talking about this division bar. This division bar change into division sign. Okay, what is this division bar? This division bar is basically this sign, division sign. Okay, and then I'll write. We all know that numerator is dividend. I have written at dividend place. Division bar, division sign. Division bar has changed into division sign. And this denominator is divisor. So I am writing 7 whole 1 upon 8 as divisor. This is clear, children? This much is clear? Now, anything when it is given into mixed fraction, what we have to do? We have to change into improper fraction. Simple. So 2 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So 19 upon 8 divided by 7 times 8 times 7, 56. 56 plus 1, 57 upon 8. Yes. Now children, check whether you can simplify 19 and 8. 19 upon 8, no, it is already in its simplest form. Now 57 upon 8, it is also in simplest form. So what we are going to do? But before this, what we are going to do, children? We have to reciprocal. Why? Because we are doing division. Yes. So what we are going to do? Reciprocal. What? we will reciprocal here. We will reciprocal divisor, that is 57 upon 8. What will happen here? This denominator will become numerator, 8 will become numerator, and this 57 numerator will become denominator. Simple. So copy this dividend as it is, 19 upon 8. And what about this sign, children? This sign will change into multiplication. Why? Because we are going to reciprocal divisor. So 57 upon 8 will be 8 upon 57. Yes. Now check vertically. 19 upon 8, it is already in its simplest form. 8 upon 57, it is already in simplest form. Now check diagonally. That means 8 and 8 we can do. Yes. How many times? 8 ones are. 8 ones are. Now 19 and 57. Yes, we can do 19 and 57. Read 19's table, children. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, and 19 threes are 57. So this is 1 time and this is 3 time. So what you will be getting? 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 3. What if will be 1 upon 3? So 1 upon 3 is your answer. Clear? Simple? Children, I am repeating. Don't scared of this division bar. This division bar will be changed into division sign. And then you have to reciprocal divisor, and the moment you will reciprocal divisor, your division sign will change into multiplication. Clear? Now, let's take one last example. Now, children, see here. What example is here? 1 whole 3 upon 8 divided by 7. What is here, children? It is in mixed fraction. What we have to do it? We have to change into improper fraction. So 1 time 8 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 upon 8. Clear? Write division sign as it is. Now, what I have said, if no denominator is there, then what is as a denominator? 1 is denominator. If no denominator is given, that means 1 is the denominator. Now, can you do it? What you have to do? You have to change divisor into what? Not into. You have to change this divisor. How? By reciprocal. You will change this divisor. How you are going to change? You are going to change place of numerator and denominator. You are going to interchange place of numerator 7 and denominator 7. So, you will flip this. And this one, denominator 1 will become numerator and numerator 7 will become denominator. This much is clear? Now, children, see here. 11 upon 8, that is dividend, will come as it is 1 upon 7. Now, children, what about this sign? This division sign. Yes. This division sign. This division sign will change into multiplication. This division sign will change into multiplication. Yes. Now, can you multiply? Yes. But before multiply, just see if you can reduce it. 11 upon 8. No, it is already in smallest form. 1 upon 7. No, it is in smallest form. Now simply multiply. 11 times 1 is 11. 8 times 7 is 56. So 11 upon 56 is our answer. Clear? So children, I believe it is clear to you. Thank you. Stay blessed.